To select cells, rows, and columns in Excel, click on a cell to select it. To select a range of cells, click on one and drag for the other cells or over the other cells to select them. To select non-adjacent cells and ranges, click on a cell, hold the Control key button in your keyboard, and by the mouse start clicking on the other cells to select them. To select an entire column, click on the letter. To select an entire row, click on the number. To select non-adjacent rows and columns, hold Control key in your keyboard and select what you want. To select a list or range, select a cell within the list or the range and press Ctrl A. If you want to select the entire sheet, click on this arrow on the left and it should select everything for you.